In This Life by Eddie Munch. My name is Maximum Decimus Meridius, commander of the armies of the north, general of the Felix legions, loyal servant to the true emperor Marcus Aurelius, father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife, and I will have my vengeance in this life or the next. Wait! This isn't me. Let's start again, eh? My name is Eddie, 16-year-old student, loyal friend to what few friends I have, son of my mum and dad, and boyfriend to no one. And I don't think I'm looking for vengeance. Or am I? Maybe I am. I know a hook is a good way of getting readers excited, so this last sentence is a hook, okay? I can tell you for definite, though, I am obsessive and compulsive, and, to complicate things, have attention deficit disorder too. I know in all stories there has to be a problem or dilemma, like some sort of conflict. Maximum Decimus Meridius has dilemmas like defeating Germanic tribes or overcoming evil, nasty Commodus. I don't think Christopher Nolan or Wes Anderson will make a movie of my problems, though. But if they do, I hope they cast Robert Pattinson in it somewhere, as my mum says he's her favourite. An example of my OCD is when I leave for school. I have to check the gas in our hob is off. I also leave the telly on for our dog Doodles, so he's got company before Mum gets back at 10 a.m. And I'm pointing at each finger on the hob saying, "You're off, you're off, you're off, you're off." My regime for doing this changes every few days, just in case they aren't, and the whole house and street gets blown up. And sometimes I make noises like the gas is on, so I know it's not. And I can see the thingies are off, but there's a mechanism in my head which isn't working or clicking like the inside of a watch, and so my brain cannot 100% confirm they are. And I do this at least 7 times. But, and here's the dilemma with the ADHD, I get distracted by BBC Breakfast News or whatever else is on and have to start again. And then I have to make sure the front door is totally, completely, absolutely shut and locked so no burglars can get it. And I have to push it about 7 times to make sure it is. And I can only do this when no one else is watching, and hate it when neighbours leave the house and ask about for a minute or two, or worse, have a chat with me or just watch. And I feel I'm Maximus yelling at them, "Are you not entertained? Is this not why you're here?" And I get anxious, and I get frustrated, and I get angry, and want to scream. But, so far, at least, plot-wise, I have overcome the problem and our house hasn't blown up yet. Pretty much every day, I'm always late for school. None of my few friends know I'm OCD. Only a few people at school know I'm ADHD. Thing is, with being obsessive and my attention being what it is, I keep on letting people down, which just adds to the anxiety, frustration and anger. I don't like getting anxious, frustrated and angry. Who does? Having OCD and attention deficit disorder aren't the only things making me feel like this. School is the main problem, or dilemma. In my head, I can overcome school by attacking it with a Roman legion. At my command, unleash hell! Or using the Death Star to pulverise it. Not when people are in it, though. I'm not horrible, honest. There are so many problems caused by school, but I'll tell you just about one. They keep on saying I should know what I want to do in life so I can choose the right A-levels and then degree course to get the best start in life. And a lot of teachers are pushing people into choosing science stuff like biology. I hate biology, I hate chemistry, I hate physics. They make me want to scream too. And I'm rubbish at them. The only job I think I'd be good at is making sure nuclear missiles are all switched off so they don't go boom. But what happens if I get distracted during the day with Holmes under the hammer, or worse, escape to the country? I just don't know what I will do in this life, or even the next, if there is one. And sadly, it's a dilemma that is never going to go away. Will I overcome it, or will it be a tragedy? Perhaps that would be a better hook than getting vengeance. Thank you for reading my story. The end.